So,
Sir,
my
may I
dear
start?
ones, today again we are here with an interaction session. And for the last few days, I have seen that many of you are taking so much interest in this session and they are doing very well. But some of you are not active as you should be. So, please, all would try to express their views. And I also appeal to those who are taking these classes, who are giving the points, that please give or put the simple point so that all students can have the ideas in their minds and they may be able to express their views. And please, all should keep this thing in your mind that those who are not speaking should be given chances. Okay, but most of the students, most of you are doing very well and keep it up. So I think you are ready for it. And today's class is taken by Priya. Yes, come on, Priya. Aaja beta.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Priya Meena, and today I'm conducting today's class. And as we all know very well, that from a few days we are doing an interaction section, and it is going very well. And it can be named to a debate because we do debate also in these sessions. So, as I am a girl, so I am thinking that I should give a topic like girls' circumstances, how girls' circumstances in our country, and so my first question is that do parents view their do parents view their son and daughter in a same way? And this question goes to Dakshit.
Actually, if you give me a chance to speak, I would like to express my views regarding the topic.
Yes, sir,
If
sure. Why
someone
not?
if someone thinks that son and daughter are the same, this is not good. Both are different, by nature they are different. So how can you take them same? Can you take? First thing is this. But I think that our daughters are more valuable or precious or important. Important sons are also important, but our daughters are more precious to us. If our sons are silver, our daughters are gold. Don't mind. If
And the
our
diamond.
sons are if our sons are gold, our daughters are diamond. Yes. Now
Sir,
carry on.
copper.
Now carry on. Thank you.
Yes, sir, I appreciate your views. And as you all know very well that you are also a parent, so you see your children
I
like.
see my children and I never stop my daughter, but I worry much. I worry about my daughter more than I worry about my son. This is the thing. And no one can remove this thing in his or her mind. We have more worries regarding our daughters rather than our sons. You know very well, all
Yes,
know very well, there is a difference and it would remain because there is a difference of nature here. Hmm.
yes, sir. Is anybody else who want to speak upon
Yes,
this?
I want to speak. So the question was that the girls
Not this is not
and
a
boys.
question, but this is a point. You should
Yes,
call
sir.
it a point, not the
Okay.
question.
Okay,
You
sir.
should raise a point, you should describe a point, you must say that this is a point and we are talking about this point. This is the main thing. And
Okay, sir.
you are talking here, not just you are answering any questions. Okay? सो
Okay, sir.
चेंज करो थोड़ा सा सिस्टम, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, अपने आप ही ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा। अभी जैसे प्रिया ने जिस तरीके से प्रेजेंट किया, सब लोग सीखो, कल सबका नंबर आएगा, अपना बेस्ट करने की कोशिश करो। इस लड़की ने भी तो जिद की ना आज, सर मेरे को करवाओ आज, मेरे को भी बहुत दिन हो गए मैंने किया ही नहीं। वाई अदर्स कांट से सो? क्यों नहीं काजल कह सकती, क्यों नहीं वैष्णवी आ सकती इसी तरीके से आगे, क्यों नहीं लक्ष्मी आ सकती, क्यों नहीं खुशी आ सकती? यही मोटिवेशन होता है, हमें लेना चाहिए। घबराने की क्या बात हो रही है? यहाँ पे कोई आईएएस का एग्जाम लग रहा है कि आओ मैदान है, खेलो दौड़ो गिरो टूटो फूटो, सीखोगे। चलिए कैरी ऑन।
Yes, sir. So the point is that our daughters and sons are same. So according to me, both are not same because they are different from physically, mentally, and by their thinking and by their body. Because we see that the thinking of a daughter is different, and the thinking of a boy is different from him from her. Why? Because this society is because the society is so. In our society, boys are given more importance rather than girls. Because because from ancient time, the people are giving importance to girls. Sorry, to boys, not girls. I think that they should give same opportunity to express and to represent their skills and skills and ability in different ways because they have different types of ability and skills. But I want to clear that in some cases they are not same. Like if we said that boys are allowed to go outside at 10 p.m. but the girls are not allowed. Why? Because this society is not for safe, because this society is not safe for them. There are many people who are very bad, and they can do some mischievous things. So our parents don't allow them to go outside of the house at 10 p.m. But girls think that this is not सर समानता क्या बोलते हैं? समानता.
इक्वलिटी।
Similarities.
Yes. Girls think that our parents never behave with us like boys, but they should think that they are, but they think that both are different. So the opportunity and that's it.
Yes, sir. Yes, I want to say I am in against of Sushil Bhaiya that boys are given more preference in the society, but it is not so nowadays. In the modern time, the girls are taking more opportunities and they are also given more preference. That they are in past it was so that they were not allowed to go outside the home, but now it is all the things are common. All the girls are preserved by the laws and in the parliament, and they have given a lot of opportunities on which they can work and um, influence their capacity and opportunity gaining power. That's
Yeah, I agree with Harsh because Sushil Vyas said that girls are not given so importance as boys, but nowadays we if we see the society is changing day by day, and girls are also taking opportunities as men, and and nowadays awareness is spreading day by day, and and even in remote areas or small towns, girls are doing very well like boys or even more than boys. That's it.
Yes, I think both are saying right, and in our society there are many person who see some of them who see a boy a girl different, and some are there who see them same. And my next question is that do the girls feel safe in this society?
Is it a free question, Didi?
बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक लिया है बेटा,
Yes,
और
sir.
थोड़ा सा और क्लियर करके इनको बोलो। तो हाँ, बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है, बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है बेटा, इसको और सब लोग ध्यान से सुनो जरा चीजों को। बोलो बेटा, कंटिन्यू करो, कोई बात नहीं, घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल भी डरा मत करो। हाँ,
Yes, sir. My next question is that do the girl do the girl feel as safe as boy in this society?
So yeah, according to me, every girl must feel safe in this society, because nowadays we can see that some cases are decreasing day by day, which were related to girls, and nowadays we can see that the government is taking many steps to avoid all these things happening in our society, and we can see that. As girls are rising due to their memory power and also due to their new innovations, and we can see that girls are nowadays feeling free as compared to our past, and so in my view girls must feel free, because they are not inferior, they are more than they think. So that's it, Didi.
And the reason that why girls feel unsafe, that is that they're thinking that they are not safe in the society, but as you know that our society is becoming mature day by day, and except some cases, and there are we can see that totally the government and all the constitution provisions are trying for the upliftment of the girls and the women. So if the girl is feeling unsafe still also, then it is his or it is her mentality. And if we will look at according to our government and according to our country's perception, then we can see that girls should not feel unsafe. They are the future of our country, and if something wrong will happen with them, all of the country members are there to help us. According to me, that the feeling of girls being unsafe comes from the persons who are selling the things which are not appropriate for a society, like drinks and other things which leaves the a person in the state in which his mental strength do not work, and he takes a decision that are not appropriate. So to my mind, I think that the main fault behind being not feeling unsafe is the products that are sold in the market openly, and the government should restrict the uses of these objects and make them less in the society, so that the girls can feel safe.
Yeah,
According to me, that it depend our society, because when the society's persons have knowledge and good education, so they respect girls, and they give a lot of opportunity, and when the society's persons are not educated, so they don't give respect, and they do misbehavior.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड।
and we know that, and as per my view, but it is not all of the mentality of girl that she is feeling unsafe, but it also depends upon the surroundings, people that are surrounded around her, or and it also varies from areas to areas. If the area is good, she can feel safe. She feels safe. But if the area is not good, she doesn't feel safe.
Yes,
The same.
Harshvia is right because I think Harshvia said that drunk people are not safe for girls, but I think it is not good for all girls. But I saw a reel yesterday, and I on that in that reel, a girl shared a his her thinking, and he said he shared that he was going on a temple on the Ganesh Chaturthi. Uh, there is a much crowd, and they shared that there is a person, sorry, there is a man who behind her, and he touched her back type, and he and she's and she think that she was thinking that it was her सर वहम को क्या बोलेंगे
किसको बेटा?
वहम
जहर, पॉइजन
नो सर वहम
है?
Sir, वहम शक.
डाउट, डाउट.
Okay, sir. She was thinking that it was her doubt, but it is not her doubt. It was that person was wrong, and he touched like badly, and he turned and she turned, but that time he was run away, and I I am thinking that it is not good because at the holy place in the temple, a person, how it is, he was doing that thing, and it is not about the drunk people, etc. And Rohit said that government and country should be safe for girls. It is not right because we can see that there are many cases of rapes and bad things, and our government can't be safe for girls. That's it, sir. And
शाबाश
also,
बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड इंटरेक्शन, शाबाश. और बाकी के लोग भी आओ, वैष्णवी,
Yes, sir.
बाकी के लोग भी
Sir,
आओ बेटा, वैष्णवी आओ, काजल आओ, चुप क्यों हो, थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलो.
yes, sir. Sir, those boys who sir छेड़ने को क्या बोलते हैं?
वो मोलेस्ट बोल सकते हो आप, मोलेस्ट
Those boys who
या
molest the
मिसचीव.
girls.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो बोलो. हाँ,
Those boys who molest the girls and they irritate the girls so much. As you can see that there are many cases like in Kolkata. You can see there were
शाबाश
the
शाबाश,
rape
कोशिश
case
करो,
was
वेरी गुड.
happened.
हाँ,
The rape
घबराओ
case
मत.
was happened
हाँ
in the Kolkata,
हाँ,
and many riots begin,
शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
and many riots begin, and everyone very um,
एवरीवन वाज वेरी स्केयर्ड. घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ, कोशिश करो.
was very scared and
हाँ,
to hear this news, and and everyone feel very angry to hear this news, and they feel this we should फांसी चढ़ाने को क्या बोलेंगे?
क्या बेटा?
फांसी चढ़ाने को फांसी चढ़ाना चाहिए.
फांसी, दे शुड बी हैंग्ड. दे
They
शुड
should
बी
be
गिवन द
hanged.
पनिशमेंट, डेथ पनिशमेंट. कोशिश करो,
They
कोशिश
should
करो,
be
आएंगे.
given the death
गलत सही कैसे भी
punishment.
बोलो, आप आएंगे बेटा. हाँ,
They should be given the death punishment. And you can see that Nirbhaya case was happened, and this case was taken very long time, and and these cases uh, pro- so that's it.
So, as Vaishnavi said that some boys molest some girls. So, what should do they at that time? They should slap on their cheek very fast, and moreover, they should file a FIR against them. That's it.
Yes,
Yes,
Sushil.
they should be they should be carry the pepper spray and also slap to the boys who molest them and that.
Very good, beta.
Yes,
ऐसे interact किया
but
करो बेटा. Very good.
some girls are afraid of making a FIR in police station because they think that they will get embarrassed in front of whole society that they are getting molested by bad boys.
Yes, I'm the favor of Gaurav. Sometimes a girl uh, does not want to share her problems to others because of the society, and sometimes their parents does not spread these type of things because they feel that they are suppressed in this society.
But the family of the girl should not feel so like embracing if they file an FIR in the police station, because it is their fight and they should fight and should get justice for their girl, because if they do not take action uh, against the persons who has treated the girl badly, so the persons will do this thing with other girls also. But if police will take and government will take action against them, then there are possibilities that the persons will not do so.
Yes,
And this is a good way for
but
improving the conditions in the country. That is the most that is one of the most important problems in our country that are to be solved. And by these taking small steps by the girls can improve the country's condition a lot.
yes, because in this country we worship goddesses like goddess Kali, goddess Durga, and if we do such type of things in this country, so our country is embarrassed in front of the whole world. That in the country we worship um, daughters. In that country, these types of things are happening.
Yes, you all are right. But I listen some information that is some people say that girls don't get education and other things because but this they think they wrong because anyone anyone get knowledge and education, but a girl get education and focusly but and this is very nice thing. Yes, sir, that's it.
Yes, because as our constitution says that every person is equal for everything. So if you are a boy or a girl, you can get every job opportunity a boy can. If you are a girl, and if you are a boy, you can get every opportunity that a girl has of jobs
So,
only.
according to me, one thing more I want to share with you that suppose that you are going to market to buy something, and you see that a boy is trying to molest the girl. So you should take also the favor of girl, and you should also slap him, and again and file a FIR against him, and you should also try to protect them. That's it.
Yes, I'm the favor of
And and to make the boys more embarrassed, you should call them brother so that so that they get embarrassed in front of whole society that they molest their own sister.
Yes,
Yes.
I agree with Sushil Bhaiya that he said uh, some boys molest the girls so much, and the girls should be carry the pepper spray, and they slap the boys in the public place, and the girls should not be fear, and they should be confidence to slap the person, and and the girls should be um, the girls nowadays girls should be now become the dependent and to be educated, and and the girls should not be fear to someone. That's it.
If you don't have any pepper spray or any tool to get rid of these boys, so government should available karate classes or kung fu or defense classes for every person in the country, because in this country some people are very bad that they do such types of things, and if every person get the knowledge of karate, so or defense, so we can save many we can save ourselves in many situations. And also I heard a news of spy cameras in personal places, and everyone is protesting, but these are not I don't know.
Okay, but Kajal, Muskan, Khushi,
Yes,
where are you? Come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
according to me,
No.
everybody right their according
Anuj, switch off your mic.
it is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But as far as
नहीं, नहीं।
still,
आप अपना माइक बंद करो, अभी खुशी को बोलने दो बेटा थोड़ा सा। खुशी बोलो, खुशी, काजल और मुस्कान तीनों जने आओ अब। हाँ, बाकी सब चुप रहेंगे अब थोड़ी देर के लिए।
According to me, it is depend on people thinking, and depend families, because family members give good advice and provide good educations, and learning moral ability.
मोरल वैल्यूज, मोरल टीचिंग्स, मोरल वैल्यूज बोलो, घबराओ मत। बाकी के लोग माइक बंद करो, किसकी आवाज आ रही है? बोल बेटा, बोल, कंटिन्यू रख बेटा, रुका मत करे, ऐसे बोलती रहे।
But some place some place some place family don't allowed educations, and
ओके काजल,
that's it, sir.
काजल,
yes,
मुस्कान
sir, आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है बेटा।
Yes, sir. I think all are right, but sometimes suppose that a boy molest the girl, then a girl take action, but sometimes many people of society blame the girl, and they lose her confidence and not support her,
शाबाश,
and
वेरी गुड, बोलो बेटा। हाँ,
it is and we can see that not all girls are not same, and some are able and some not to take slap them, and it is all fault of our society, because a girl because a boy molest the girl,
they or society take action towards these things and
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, कोशिश कर बेटा. हाँ,
increase confidence the girl and she thinks that all are the favor of me and he feels secure and I think or it is the thinking of all people because all people are not same and they think different types and if they are these type of cases and we should favor of the girl and we government should be take strict action the boy and we can see many cases are increasing day by day as Rohit says that it is the fear of the girl but it is not because when we see these type of cases we all people are afraid and when we see these dangerous cases and it is सर उसको क्या बोलते हैं it is obvious to fear the girl because it is the all fault of our society and also not many people also not get education and I think society also blame a girl and if they are support the girl all girls are feel safe. That's it sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, ऐसे कोशिश किया अगर बेटा धीरे धीरे आता है बेटा चीजें.
And these morons or bad boys do such things that I can't even describe them from my mouth. It's so brutal that I don't want to talk about it.
Okay, please keep quiet if you don't want to talk. And now who remain? कौन किसने नहीं बोला है अभी बेटा, किसने नहीं बोला अभी एक बार भी आ बेटा थोड़ा सा बोल बेटा थोड़ा सा.
Whatever behave a girl keeps in society, the some will happen to her. Sometimes with then we can stay safe in society.
शाबाश.
A girl should learn to depend herself because not one stand with the girls all the time. So she should learn to protect himself.
Herself. घबराए मत बिल्कुल कोशिश क्या कर बेटा, ऐसे एक्टिव रहा कर थोड़ा सा बेटा. हाँ बोल बेटा, बोल जितना मर्जी हो उतना बोल. हाँ कोई बात नहीं है.
But sometimes girl सर डर जाते हैं क्योंकि कहेंगे
girls are afraid, girls are scared.
Girls are afraid because sometimes boys sometimes bad boys click her photos and blackmail the girl, and this is wrong and so but some and on this time girls tell this problem to the parents but some girls don't share the problem and sometimes girl so
शाबाश घबराए मत. हाँ commit suicide. हाँ
some girls commit suicide.
Shabash.
And but this is wrong, and and I see that our girls and you share uh, your problems to parents.
Their
That's it.
problems.
Okay, sir. Their problem.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Yes,
That's
sir.
it.
Sir, I want to tell my views regarding this topic that all of us are telling the bad points of boys that they are that they are this. So I want to tell to the girls that don't make a prejudice regarding the girls. Not all boys are like this. Only a small portion of male in the country are like this. Sir,
Yeah, I agree with Rohit that all boys are not so many of the boys, about more than half or about 90% boys are correct, but there are some boys who are not good, and their intentions are not good. But we can't blame
Hmm.
every boy on the behalf
Hmm.
of them.
Very
Yeah,
good.
that's it.
sir,
So
I
now,
think.
yes,
Sir,
yes,
I
yes.
think
Come
we
on,
all.
last minutes.
But I think we all are just talking about the society things of the girls, but we are not taking the dowry scenes and domestic violence at the scope of our talking related to the girls.
We can talk about it later. It is a big topic, you know.
Yes, sir.
So now,
And
Priya.
we can't
Yes,
even
yes,
talk
yes.
about
Yeah, hurry up, hurry up.
we
As
can't
the
even
past.
talk about the domestic violence to girls because it's a friendly class and we don't want to bring violence here.
As the
Okay.
past
Now,
speaker
Shabash,
has
shabash, shabash.
Will be here by this.
हरी up. किसी को भी
as
बोलना है तो बोलो बेटा.
has said that there are a
And we
few.
should protest against it because because it's our responsibility to make our society clean and take this rubbish to the garbage or their jail. Sir, you left?
I think Harsh and Rakshita right, but we are not talking about all boys, but some boys are these type of these wrong things are doing, and it is not for all boys, and some are the rubbish on in our society, and so all boys are blame and all boys are blaming these type of things, and but all boys are not same, some are good, and it is depend or family, because we should give the give or if a parent if or parents give us a good क्या बोलते हैं संस्कार को क्या बोलते
संस्कार बोल दो. Manners कह दो.
give manners and give boys good manners, so and so these boys are not do these type of things, but some boys are wrong and rubbish in our society, so that's it.
शाबाश बेटा. Now,
But
Simran.
but
And in the last minutes of the
but
debate,
but
No one will speak any word. All will keep quiet. Debate is about to be end. Yes, now Simran. Now you.
Yes,
yeah, my friend.
yes, you are right, Kajal. There are some boys support girls, but some cases are different because some girls got it money, so they so they shouldn't, so file FIR in police station, and they blackmail boys, and uh, 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 and they earn money to boys. So some cases are different, and
हर बार को क्या बोलेंगे सर?
इसको
Every time.
हर बार
every time.
every time the boys is not wrong and
Are not wrong. कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश करो बेटा, ऐसे ही आता है बेटा। हाँ बोलो।
boys are not wrong and that's it, sir.
Now
Yes,
Priya,
sir.
And
But
in the
after
last
all,
it's
minute of,
going
but
on.
after
and in
all,
the
Now debate is end. We have ended the debate. Now Priya, doing the
Yes.
conclusion of the debate.
Yes, sir. I have
Sir,
heard.
Anuj Bhaiya yet not have taken his chance.
Who has not taken? Anuj?
Sir, Anuj Bhaiya.
Anuj, come on.
yes, sir. But after all, your safety is in your hands, and there is a saying that every terrorist is not Muslim. Every Muslim is not terrorist, but every terrorist is Muslim. So every boy is not evil, and every girl is not an angel. So
Very good, yes. Shabash. Very good.
yes, sir.
At the last moment. Very good. Nice. Using nice words, yeah. Very good. Shabash. Very good. This is the talent, yeah. I always say, Anuj, you must keep yourself ahead. You must keep yourself in the front, not should try to go back. But you always try to go back. This is not for you. Okay? Yes, now Priya. Now
Yes.
it is your
We
turn
have
to conclude the debate.
we have reached at the conclusion. Uh, as this topic is very large and it can't be shorted in a one day. It
Shabash.
is a very huge topic because this topic is not in a can be done in a one class.
Shabash.
So it will be continued.
Very
That's
good.
it.
Thank you very much. Performance of all is very nice, or all took place. All took participation in the debate. This is very good thing. Thank you very much.